My friends, how are you? I'm Andres Neshuro, and as you already saw in the title of the video, I'm going to show you the best of Baseus's entry-level line, the BP1 Pro. This is a brand that's already in Mexico, and this is the best of their entry-level line. They currently have a great price due to the hot sale, and I appreciate that they usually perform above their class. So how about I do an unboxing? I'll show you more about the Baseus BP1 Pro and show you what's in the box. By the way, let me know what you're drinking while watching this video. I'm having an espresso. I'll read your comments, and if you like technology, give this video a like. On the box, we have some of the features. Something I really like is that they have premium quality at a very affordable price. Take advantage of the link I left in the description because, as I mentioned, now with the hot sale, they have special promotions. For this wonderful community, look, here are some of the features. For example, adaptive hybrid ANC at -50 decibels. They'll also give you up to 55 hours of battery life and have 6 microphones. So when you make calls, they're going to sound pretty clear. You'll get good call quality because they'll reduce the noise from everything outside. Plus, they also have a IP65 certification. So they're resistant to sweat, mainly, right? Especially if you're gonna use them for working out, and well, they're completely wireless. So, what do you say? We check out what's inside the box. Tada, let's take a look. Oh, I insist, for the price and quality, these are really good headphones. The first thing we see is the user guide. Here you have all the information you need if you want to take a look at it. And we have these stickers that are pretty cool. It says Leo's Gift, which is Baseus's mascot. It's cool, a nice touch. More information over here. And now, one of the best headphones out there on the market. Great value for money. Of course, they're compatible with iOS, meaning iPhone, with Android, with any operating system, and also with Windows and Mac computers. In short, it's pretty universal. Look, high resolution, high-res audio, wireless. Let's open this. And here they are, pretty simple. Now I'll show you the controls, but they have a USB Type-C port, so you can charge them. These will also charge quickly. And we have the USB to USB Type-C cable, and also some ear tips since, well, there are different ear sizes. So it comes with an ear tip for every size. If the one that comes with the BP1 Pro doesn't fit you, you have other options, so they fit just right and don't fall out. The noise cancellation is ANC, hybrid and adaptive in real time. Also, as I was saying, they have noise reduction of up to -50 decibels to block out surrounding noise. And it has 4 sensors that will also handle the noise cancelling in real time. The sound cancellation, I'm laughing because it just told me they're already on. And to sync them with any device, you just connect to Bluetooth. And that's it. I already have them connected. Let's use them and react to the sound in real time. How about we play a Juana remix? Or let's see, this one here, Jose, was the first thing that came up. Wow. Honestly, it sounds pretty good. In fact, I'm shouting because, let's see. Time to drink some water. Wow. I mean, honestly, for the price, it sounds pretty good. Remember, I'll leave a link in the description where you can get them. I'm telling you, they're at a really good price right now. And honestly, they sound pretty good. Now, something I really like is that, for example, with iOS, it tells us what percentage of battery they have. Plus, I also have some direct controls on the headphones, so I don't have to take out my phone every time I want to hit play or change the song. Anyway, honestly, they're pretty full-featured. I insist, especially for their price. It's the best entry-level model from Baseus. And honestly, I think it's pretty good. Other cool things are that they have high-res audio certification with LDAC codec. They have adaptive EQ technology that adjusts to the environment. specific modes like super bass. And thanks to AI, you'll be able to cancel noise during your calls. And the battery will last you up to about 55 hours if you keep them fully charged. And you put them back in their case, which is pretty cool. Now, who are these Bezus BP1 Pro for? I would say they're for all those people who want good sound, good quality, that want good noise cancellation for a great price, and above all, that they're portable. Because you can take them practically anywhere. They're pretty good for working out, for commuting, even in the car, if you don't want others to hear you while you're on a call. Anyway, let me know what you would use these headphones for. The Bezus BP1 Pro, as I said, and I know I've said it many times, but for the price and quality, they're really good. Don't forget, if you haven't subscribed yet, I want to invite you to subscribe. I have other Bezus products that I uploaded videos about. So go to my channel if you want to see all this and much more, and I'll see you in my next video. I'm Andres Nesciudo. Big hug to everyone. Goodbye.